In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your feedback on eBay, whether as a buyer or a seller. This process can be really helpful if you've had a change of heart or if there were circumstances that have altered since you left the original feedback. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Google Chrome. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your eBay account using your usual credentials. Logging in is a straightforward process, but do make sure your details are correct to avoid any access issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you're essentially at the main hub of your eBay activities. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to either the purchase history or the selling section of your account. The distinguishing factor here is whether you're looking to revise feedback as a buyer or a seller, so head into the section that's appropriate for your role in the transaction. In these sections, you'll find a detailed list of your recent transactions. Keep an eye out for the specific transaction for which you'd like to modify or revise your feedback. Make sure you identify the correct one, as this step determines the rest of your feedback revision process. When you've located the transaction in question, look for an option labeled Leave Feedback, or, in some instances, Feedback Revision. This option might not always be readily visible, so be patient and ensure you thoroughly check the transaction details. If you see Leave Feedback, it means you may not have left any initially, and you can directly provide your feedback from here. However, if Feedback Revision is an option, you can proceed to amend the feedback where necessary. Once you select the relevant feedback option, follow the prompts to enter your updated feedback. It's important to note that eBay does have a time constraint on making edits. The feedback system is designed to maintain the integrity and reliability of the review process, so ensure your updated feedback is submitted within eBay's allowable time frame. If you find that the time frame for editing has expired, don't worry, there's still a way forward. In such cases, your best course of action is to reach out to the other party involved in the transaction. You can request a feedback revision from them directly. Communication here is key. Explain your reasons for wanting the change, and hopefully, they'll understand and assist in revising the feedback. That's the process in a nutshell. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your eBay feedback and ensure that your buyer or seller experiences are articulated accurately. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.